Hey guys, today I thought I'd demonstrate how to program the Key FOB on a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. Now, I don't actually own a Chevrolet Avalanche. I'm going to demonstrate this on a Chevrolet pickup because the programming's the same. I normally order these off of Amazon. They're usually around 10 bucks. Here's what the page looks like. As you can see, you can order it in black, blue, red. Just type in the make and model of the vehicle you're looking for and it should pull it. Or I'll tell you what, I'll put a link down there in the description. You can click straight on it and it should take you to it. So let's go out to the truck and we'll program this thing. Let's go. Okay, to program this thing, what we want to do is we want to put the key in the ignition. There's the old one he has. You can see the buttons broke, so we want to put the key in the ignition. We want to hold the lock button in, and we want to turn it on and off 2 times real quick. And when it unlocks, you release it. Now you want to hold your 2 buttons, lock and unlock in at the same time. Alright, now you want to get your other one. You have to do all of them at the same time, so if you have any extra ones, you have to do them. So we want to hold both buttons in at the same time. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to turn it on and turn it off, and that exits the programming mode. Locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. See if the old one works. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. And yes, they work. If that helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.